Hello, I'm the Disgusting Beauty. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, today I am going to be painting an alien. I wanted to be more character design focused. I have a graphic design degree, so I wanted to be very design focused. There's a lot of line work, a lot of detail, and this isn't going to be a photorealism tutorial. Realism's not always the best design choice. And I want this to look good like on a skateboard or on a t-shirt. I want to start up an art store and sell prints of my work. I drew out the alien. I drew it from a reference. My painting from last time has buckled. I tried to stretch it. The reference I'm using is from this. I'm not completely copying this. I don't think it's my best drawing. It's a sketch and I abandoned it a long time ago. So I was just thinking I would take something out of my old sketchbook and maybe try to realize it more as a painting and think of like conceptual art design, character design. I use reference photos of my own hands to get the hands in proportion. You want to do that. That's pro tip. Anytime you need a reference photo, you don't have to like go scouring on the internet. Come up with your own costumes and characters on your own. Be original. I didn't want to make this look too much like Frieza here. And in the original drawing, I had a scouter on my alien, which, you know, obviously one, copyright, two, it's like a space visor, a tennis visor in space. Anyway, the whole purpose of this, I'm thinking if I make this a skateboard design, what I would do is take this and then flip it in Photoshop and then have it like upside down or upside up and like kind of have them meet and be a cool little... I was trying to think of like what would I want on a t-shirt or like a skateboard if I was like a kid, something that would be cool. Something that I could sell, something that I could be like, this is mine and I can sell it. Like, there's a couple things I think I've painted that I think I could sell if I wanted to. But, you know, I don't want to copy someone else's reference photo forever. You know, it's good for showing techniques and tips, but ultimately you want to draw. My only problem is I don't like drawing. I don't have like a really good surface to draw. I'm always like getting neck pain from drawing. That's why I've been preferring painting, because I can keep my posture pretty decent, even though you see me bending around in the video. I have way better posture. My neck doesn't hurt as much from painting than I do from drawing. But drawing is an essential part of painting as well, and if you're going to be going more design focused, you have to draw. So this is a more design focused painting. Anyway, I don't know if I can add a sound effect. I need to get sound effects. There, that's for the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Like if you just like me throwing a box for no reason, like a child. Alright. We YouTube. We act like idiots. No, I'm just kidding. Cut. So I'm starting by killing the white with an orangish brown tone, and I lost my drawing. I drew in pencil, but I don't usually do this. I'm drawing in paint. This is a character design I'm doing. I wanted to create an original work that's 100% mine that I could sell and put on t-shirts and skateboards and other merchandise. So I figured I'm not going to get there by just copying reference photos. Now that works for the setting of teaching, but for this I want to have this be my work that I could potentially sell. And also, it's a redesign, actually. I had a sketch that I did a long time ago, and I decided to pull it out and see, like, how could I reimagine it? And this is a reimagining of that sketch. And if you follow me on Instagram, I have posted the sketches. I also posted the pencil drawings I did and the methods that I used to create this. I started with just simple shapes like triangles. And I'm surprised how cool this is. I also used reference photos in this. Believe it or not, it's a reference photo of my own hands that I used to reference to create the pose that he's holding this object in his hands. Those I used the template with my hands. And that really helps because I used a reference photo without just copying it. It was used to just help me get the idea of the proportions and the foreshortening of his hands. And the hands seem like a simple thing, but they're really hard to draw. So anyway, partway through this video, I might sound desperate. I started this video in February, and now I'm into June, but I was partway into March when I was drawing this or painting this, and COVID-19 struck. Now we're even past COVID-19. It's still going on, but now there's riots, and you know what? I'm just going to say it. Black Lives Matter. I don't know why I have to say this because, I mean, it should just go without saying, but these are the problems we have, and we got to face these realities. Anyway, yeah. I probably shouldn't be bringing it up, especially since I don't really have much to say about it. I mean, I guess I have a lot to say, but this channel is not that kind of channels, and I mean, I'm very politically motivated kind of guy. I want to do a more political YouTube channel, but not with this channel. This is just art, and I'm trying to just teach, but also at the same time, I want to create a business for myself out of the art that I'm creating. So this video is not really too much about techniques. I'm not really doing a tutorial. I'm more so just expressing myself, and especially since I felt the need to express myself in this video, I'm expressing myself now. Several days later, and I haven't really been doing this in a timely fashion. All these clips that we're going to be having of me doing this took place over multiple days, and that time I got a job. I'm now an essential hero. Operation Food for Families. It's goofy. I'm gonna dress. No one's here. There's no reason to wear a mask. I'm gonna just be dressed as I would if I went to work. Because now in a time like this, I can go walking in a place looking like I'm gonna rob it, and no one will say a word. That's great. So now I'm going to wear a mask here. 6 feet. 6 feet. Alright. I'm goofing. Yeah, again, this new job has been making it harder to get these videos out. Although these videos have been hard to make just from an editing standpoint because of how long these videos are and how much time goes into painting these paintings. I mean, the paintings don't take nearly as long as editing the videos do, but trying to do this in a timely fashion is really, really hard, and especially now, but you gotta have a day job. Well, it's been several weeks since I started this painting, and in that time I've gotten a new job, and the coronavirus is raging. Not a really great time to be alive. I got a new job, and I want to figure out ways to scare people away from going to the store right now because this virus is raging, and it's getting my paranoia up to fucking here. Anyway, I'm gonna continue this painting because I gotta keep my sanity and get my nerves down. I almost just want to put a plague doctor mask on when I go to work. Have like a bell and be like, "Get out now! The cholera is raging." I know it's not cholera, it's corona, but still, like, no one's taking this seriously. Oh, I'm gonna keep painting. And hopefully we all survive. Some of us won't, and that will be unfortunate that no one's, I don't know, around here, that I don't think anyone's taking it as seriously as they should, and frankly I'm a little bit scared. These are going to be difficult times. Sorry I'm being really quiet, but it's late at night. I'm just going to turn on some music and go, but yeah. Alright. Hope you're all staying quarantined out there. I should have been quarantined, but hey, when you need work, you need work. But God, it's a bad time to be a new employee. Alright. Painting. Calming down. If you've watched Clay Fireheart, painting the stress of everyday life. Although these circumstances are extraordinary, so let's paint these stresses away. Okay, that sounded really, really desperate. I think probably taking this new job has raised my stress levels, especially at a time like this. I don't think I have the virus, but man, like when they first announced this, I was just paranoid. I was washing everything. I mean, I was probably overwashing to the point where it was giving me a rash. It was nasty. Anyway, yeah, now, I mean, it hasn't gone away, but I think since then I've leveled out, and this is what painting is for calming down. And, the world will keep turning, so can't let stuff bother you, Yeah, just keep chugging along. We're going to call that done. We're going to call this done. I'm the Disgusting Beauty, and this was my video. This was just fun. This took longer than I wanted it to, but it's been real, so we're done. I almost forgot. We need to do the tape reveal. I almost forgot. So here we go. Anyway, it's been real. I like a good tape reveal. Click like, comment, subscribe. Also, hit the bell notifications and click all on the bell. This is the Disgusting Beauty, and I'm out. Have a great rest of your day, dudes and dudettes.